In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Google Find My Device 2025. Whether you're dealing with a locked device due to misplaced credentials, or you simply need a refresher on this new update, I've got you covered. This process is straightforward and easy to follow, so let's get started. First, you're going to want to grab a browser and navigate over to google.com/android/find. Keep in mind that this tool lets you pinpoint, secure, and manage your Android device remotely. It's a useful feature, especially when faced with a locked screen situation. Once you've reached the site, the next step is to sign in using the Google account associated with the locked device. It's crucial that you use the exact account that originally locked the device. If you have multiple accounts, just double check to ensure you're accessing the correct one linked to your device. After successfully logging in, you'll be presented with a list of devices associated with your account. Here, you'll need to select the specific device that's currently locked. This process could be a lifesaver, especially if you're managing more than one Android gadget with the same account. Next, after you've highlighted the locked device, you will see the option to secure device. Tap on secure device once more. It's here where you can set a new password for your phone. Before doing this, consider if you'd like to set a new password or just leave it blank. This can be handy if you've forgotten your existing password or PIN. By setting it to blank, you can immediately access your phone without any additional credentials upon unlocking it the first time. The final step is to unlock your phone using the new password you have created. With the update applied, you'll have access to all of your device's functionality as before. This approach provides both flexibility and peace of mind when it comes to regaining control over your locked device. Remember, these steps are intended to help you in situations where you have legitimate access to the Google account used to secure the device. Proper account management, including using strong, memorable passwords and keeping your recovery options up to date, can prevent being locked out in the future. If you do face any continuing issues, consider reaching out to Google support for additional help. I hope this guide has empowered you to confidently unlock your Android device using Google Find My Device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. See you next time with more helpful tips and tricks.